Today, I'll show you how to add Calendly to your Wix website. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a fully working scheduling tool embedded on your site so visitors can easily book time with you without any back and forth emails. Let's start in your Calendly account. From your Calendly home dashboard, look for the specific event type you want people to book. This might be something like a 15-minute meeting, a consultation, or a demo. Make sure you're choosing the event that you actually want to appear on your website because that's the one your visitors will see and use. On that event type, click the share button. This is where Calendly gives you different options for how you want your scheduling page to show up on your site. When the sharing options open, go to the tab that says Add to Website. Here, Calendly will show you three main choices: inline embed, pop-up widget, and pop-up text. Inline embed means the calendar will sit directly on a page as if it's part of your website layout. This is great if you have a dedicated book a call or schedule page and you want the calendar right there in front of visitors without them clicking anything extra. Pop-up widget appears as a small button or bubble on the corner of your site that visitors can click to open a scheduling pop-up. This option is perfect if you want booking to be available on every page without taking up too much space. Pop-up text allows you to turn any piece of text into a trigger that opens your calendar in a pop-up. For example, a sentence like "click here to schedule a call" could open your Calendly form in a modal window. Choose the option that best fits how you want people to interact with your calendar. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. Calendly will now generate a small piece of code for you. This code is what you'll place on your Wix site so that your event type appears there. Click Copy Code to copy it to your clipboard. It's important not to change anything inside this code because every part of it is needed for Calendly to work correctly. Now switch over to your Wix editor. Open the page where you want Calendly to appear. On the left-hand side of the editor, click the Add Elements icon, which looks like a plus sign. This opens a menu of different elements you can place on your site. From that menu, go to Embed Code and then select Embed HTML. This tells Wix that you're about to add a custom snippet of code from an outside service like Calendly. An empty HTML box will appear on your page. Click Enter Code. A window will pop up with a space where you can paste your Calendly code. Paste the code you copied earlier into this box. Take a quick moment to make sure the entire code is there and nothing has been accidentally deleted. When you're ready, click Update. You should now see your Calendly calendar or widget appear directly inside the Wix editor. Adjust the size and position of the element so it fits neatly with your page layout. When you're happy with how it looks, publish or update your site, then visit the live page to confirm that visitors can click and schedule with you smoothly.